When you hear the name Isaac Newton, you might think of a genius, the man who discovered gravity. But let's start with his negatives. Newton was born too small and too weak. People thought he wouldn't live more than few days. His father died before he was born. His mother remarried and left him behind with his grandmother. At school, he was not the brightest in the class. In fact, he was quite lonely and often bullied. Now, pause and think. Does this sound like the beginning of the greatest scientist story? Hardly. But here lies the truth. Struggles can either break you or shape you. The Newton chose the second path. He began spending long hours alone, observing and experimenting and asking questions no one else ever asked. He built strange contraptions, windmills, water clocks, toys. People thought he was odd. When the plague shut down the Cambridge University, others fled. Newton returned home, but instead of wasting time, he studied, questioned, experimented. Sitting under the tree, watching the sky, scribbling calculations. And then the famous apple fell. Everyone had seen apples fall. But Newton asked, why does it always fall downwards? That single why became the spark for the law of gravity. He went on to write on the laws of motion, invented calculus and transformed physics forever. So, how did the frail, lonely, ordinary boy become the greatest minds in the history? Not because the life was easy, not because he was born perfect, but because he turned his struggles into fuel, his loneliness into curiosity, and his questions into discoveries. Here is my message, especially for the students. You may feel weak, ignored, or even average today, but remember what Newton did. Your struggles are not the end, they are just the beginning. If you dare to keep questions and refuse to give up, you can change not just your life, but the world itself. Thank you all very much for watching, and God bless you.